No way, Loretta, you're not going to believe this. There's a new vegan burger at Burger King.
No way. Let me get my coat.
Hello, so we literally just saw that Burger King have released a Katsu Royale and a Katsu Whopper and a Katsu Royale, so we thought we'd have to come and try it, see what all the fuss is about.
I actually didn't read any reviews before.
No.
So we don't know if there is any fuss actually. Anyway.
Well, we're creating fuss right now. Okay, so I went for the Royale, Loretta went for the Whopper.
So it's absolutely massive, like it's huge, but...
Had to open them up for the thumbnail and a bit sparse with the Katsu ingredients.
Pete's looks hilarious.
Like a Chinese burger. Is that what Katsu? Katsu curry?
I don't even know. Doesn't obviously look anything like the photographs.
No. Photographs definitely have cheese on, and there's no cheese on this.
But there's not meant to be cheese on it.
This photograph just has cheese on. Right, anyway.
Anyway.
Really good, but it just tastes like the Royale to me. Like, I like the Royale.
No other flavour.
Maybe I have to go in a bit further.
It's a nice flavour. I just feel like it could come in a pot. Like they could sell you a pot for, 50p where you could choose to add it to the regular burger. Probably try each other's.
Not much left of mine.
Yours tastes like something, I don't even know what. It tastes like the Royale, but like not enough of something that I can pick it out.
Yours is different to this, which is strange because I thought they're both.
Have they put barbecue sauce on by accident? Or is it barbecue sauce usually?
Yours tastes like barbecue. Okay, so, well, Loretta's eating. Katsu burger Royale is 595 calories. And the Whopperoonie is 747 calories, but it is like a lot bigger, isn't it? Okay, so my review of the Katsu Royale, not worth it in my opinion. It's like an extra £1.30. It tastes good, but I do like the Royale anyway. It's just like a Royale and someone's put like a sprinkle of coleslaw in the middle. Like it tastes a little bit different, but it's too similar to a Royale in my opinion to save your money. But the Whopper on the other hand, I actually thought was decent.
Yours definitely didn't have as much of a different flavour. Yours was like a mild difference.
Like if you hadn't have said anything and I just had that thinking it was a Royale, you just eat it thinking it was a Royale.
Yeah.
You wouldn't be like, oh.
I'd maybe think there's something, but I wouldn't be able, it wasn't strong enough to pinpoint what it was. So there definitely wasn't enough Katsu on yours. And really, they're playing God, aren't they, in the kitchen? Because it really just depends.
Honestly, I bet if you go there and there's like a happy-go-lucky guy on the...
But they could be happy-go-lucky, but they might have only made 2 of these before. Anyway, my Whopper, actually really tasty, but not what I expected. Not a very strong Katsu curry flavour. That was mainly in the middle, which you got to taste. The majority of mine tasted like it had barbecue sauce on and maybe chili sauce, which I did really like. Do I think it's worth it? Well, to be honest, it is a double burger, and I think the difference between the double burger and this might only be 30p. So, I don't know. I'd wait up if I were you. It was tasty, but not Katsu curry.
That's the final review. It's a cat's no from us. Cat's no? No? I tried. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that. The nuggets are where it's at if you're going to go to Burger King. I was almost tempted to order some, but you have to order 20 for it to be a good deal, don't you?
We're so bad with that. Good deals.
Yeah, that's going to be it for the review.
Yeah, tasty, but not what you'd expect, to be honest. Not what we expected.
Underwhelming, I think's the word.
It might be different at your Burger King, though, so,
yeah.
Okay,
so this is the Wrexham Burger King, so maybe if you go to another one and it's better... This is just our experience at our Burger King. Let us know how you get on.
At our local.
Yeah.
This is a local Burger King for local people.
Okay, bye-bye. Right, you're not going to believe this. They just released a new vegan burger at Burger King.
No, Ruddy, wait. I'll just get the keys.
I can't do words that are difficult to understand.
Okay.
Ruddy. Just say something about grabbing your coat.
Okay.
So what are you going to say? You're going to say, hey, there's no...
Okay, I've got it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
No way, Loretta, there's a new vegan burger at Burger King.
No way. Grab your coat. You have poulet. It's chicken. Okay, one more.